again. This is another permaculture one about what is the matter about having beetles in your lawn, or so. Let's start. What is the matter about bees stinging you that is more healthy? What is the matter about little bug and ants on your sidewalk making little ant houses? What is the matter about little beetles and insects on your ground? What is the matter about little things? Did you know that you really don't need a house, but you feel like you do? You can make a teepee. You can make something more helping for the earth. Why do the kids keep buying characters and characters and characters? Why do all the people do this to the earth? The earth feels sad when you do stuff like mowing the lawn and not helping the earth, and that's why the Native Americans used to be so nice to the earth. Now they start smoking, doing other